Well, Google Cloud today, at least today, they offer three different services, basically, which are NoSQL document store services. Why this? A while ago, they acquired a company called Firebase, okay, and they already had a Firebase real-time database, especially for mobile and web applications, and they still have this, and they adapted this into the Google Cloud. But Google also offered, a separate product called Google Cloud Data Store. Okay, and today with Google Cloud Firestore, yeah, basically they try to combine, yeah, into new offer everything that they had already, in two different products. So yeah, that's a bit confusing. Could be confusing because a lot of these product services they are still used, by different customers, and we'll have to learn about them. But look, we will look in particular to Cloud Firestore, okay, and we look at the pricing, the offerings, and yes, with Firestore you can create databases in two different modes here. The new native mode, and by default you have the old legacy data store mode. So this is what we'll do first. Yeah, we'll create a database in data store mode, and actually we'll not create a new one. We'll use default existing one. Why this? Because they allow you to access the default database, existing database for free. Okay, and what's going on? What's going on? Because the old data store came up also with a proprietary language, Google Query Language, okay, GQL, and we'll experiment with this, yeah, on our data store. You'll see that it's not as exciting, yeah, to me at least, it's not as exciting as it looks. It's rather pretty complex and very limited, clumsy, and what can I say? It is what it is. Yeah. We'll briefly look at this, and we'll continue. We'll continue next with creating, yeah, a new database in actually native mode, okay, in Firestore mode, and we look at in the Fire Studio basically how to create some collections, or rather this step, we'll switch to VS Code and populate, yeah, this new Firestore collection from a Python client. Okay, then at the end, yeah, definitely we'll move back, yeah, to the web UI in the Firestore Studio. And we look at the query builder. Okay, what's different from the GQL here? Because you no longer have Google Query Language, you still have a query builder, an interactive query builder, and you can create also sub collections. And we'll do this. We'll do this interactively. Finally, yes, Google, just like Microsoft and like Amazon, they offer for their cloud different certifications, and I acquired two or three of them, but definitely yes, solutions architect, which is a hard one. Yeah, this is what they say, and we review all this. So once again, this is not in particular for Firestore, yeah, because I don't think they have one in particular for this one, but you have multiple certification exams, a lot of them focused on data, but not only. That will ask you questions about Firestore and their NoSQL document stores. Yeah, the three products that they may have today.